Let's go up the hill. Let's go up the hill. Let's go up the hill. Checking if this traditional view has bees. Don't think it has any. It does not have any bees. Wow. Wow. Happy place for me. This is my happy place. I saw a very big manta lizard. I don't want to go there. That's a very nice viewpoint over there. And let's see. Up here. I love this place, man, especially in the afternoon or early morning when the sun is coming out there from the east. Usually looks very wonderful. Yeah. And this stone right here gives a very nice shade over here, so you can see all the way in the savannah. Is it savannah or flatland, wherever? And this other side. Wow! Mount Kilimanjaro is visible from this point here. If you can see next to that baobab tree, on the right of that baobab tree that has not many leaves, see if we can point it. Mount Kilimanjaro is right over there. And it. Mount Kilimanjaro is right over there. Mount Kilimanjaro. That's over 250 kilometers away from here. That is over 250 kilometers away from this point here. Right there. That is Mount Kilimanjaro. Unfortunately, my camera doesn't know how to zoom. Quite visible right now, Mount Kilimanjaro. Wow. Right over there is Mount Kilimanjaro, 250 kilometers away. And Chulu Hills. Chulu Hills are all over there. Over there. Can't know if they are visible. And on the east, from where I am, that line of some flat hill over there, that is a plateau. The most famous plateau in Africa is called Yatta Plateau. That is Yatta Plateau, stretches more than 200 kilometers as well. Yeah, that's all I can see from here, outside my village. Mount Kilimanjaro on the southwest, on the east is Yatta Plateau, and a very long stretch of land that is very, very flat. And the birds are singing morning praises to you. That is wonderful. That's wonderful. That is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, when I say this is my happy place, it is my happy place. Quiet, serene, and completely very clean. Nature. This is nature for you. You can hear the background. Very sweet, very nice. Usually I don't talk, but when I come here, I'm in another world. I'm completely in another world. Great. Yeah. By the way, Kilimanjaro is not always visible from this point every day. We are very lucky. usually it's visible after it has rained. Sky should be very clear, and I believe scientifically when it rains, the sky clears of dust, and I think it also clears of dust and smoke that might be hovering in the air, so our eyes, our cameras can see further. And during the morning, the sun is coming from the east from this point, and since Kilimanjaro is towards southwest, so sort of in the west, it is illuminated directly behind me by the sun, so that gives nice. Yeah, these are my beehives. I do them traditionally because we are able to raise them very high due to wild animals. So all these beehives have bees in them, and now currently they are packing. The workers, the bees are working to top up the honey. I will be getting the honey